everyone, this is my first Korean class on my YouTube. So I'm gonna upload some Korean classes every week. So if you want to learn about Korean, please subscribe me. Alright, so today we're gonna start from the Korean alphabet. We call that as a Hangul. Actually, the Hangul is made with the scientific writing systems. For example, the shapes of the consonants are designed based on how your lips or the mouth or the tongue is moved when you are pronouncing them. So instead of memorizing the whole things, we're going to try to understand how it works. So I'm going to start with reading these whole consonants first. I'm going to start from the G sound. K, N, T, R, M, P, S, U, Z, Z, K, T, P, H. So let's start from the G sound. G sound is between the G and the K sound. So it's G, G. Your tongue touches the back part of the roof of your mouth. G, G, like this. And then N sounds, for this one, your tongue touches the ridge right behind your upper front teeth. And the air comes out through your nose. N sound, N, N. Now, focus guys. Here's where many of my students are getting so confused about. N sound and D sounds very similar to some foreigners, I think. D sounds like a soft D or T. The tongue placement is actually very similar to N sound. It also touches the right behind your upper front teeth. But the difference is the airflow. For N, air goes through your nose. For D, you block air completely in your mouth and then release it. So N is nasal sound and D is oral sound. That's the key difference. Then we have L sound, which is somewhere between R and L sound. It's not exactly either one. Your tongue lightly taps the same ridge behind your teeth. Finally, we got the easy part. M is easy sound. It sounds same as M sound, M. Just make sure your both lips closed. B is like soft B or the P, B sound. Also, both lips closed, just like M sound, but you will release the air. And S is very similar to S sound, but it becomes softer before certain vowels. Rest things are kind of easy, so just repeat after me. U, Z, Z, K, T, P, H. And of course, we have some more consonants, but it's like only 7 more words like that. We're gonna learn about that on next class. And let's start for the vowel part. Korean vowels are really interesting because actually they are built from only 3 kind of elements. I'm gonna show you here. This E sounds. E represents a human being standing, and this I sound represents as a ground or the earth, and this dot represents the sky. And for all kinds of Korean vowels, we're gonna just mix up these 3 elements and make it different kind of vowels. Let's start by reading the whole vowels first. A, ya, o, yo, o, yo, u, you, E. Alright, so let's start from A sounds. A is made by E sounds and then put a dot on the right side. It sounds like A, which is very similar to father, father, A sound. And then ya, we just added one more dot from the A sound. The extra line as the glide sound. The same pattern applies to A sounds too. A sounds like A, but your mouth is more open than relaxed. A sound. Not like the English O, that's different. Yo is like yo sound. Again, the extra stroke, the dot, as the y sound. Now, many of my students were confused with the o and o sound. The difference is the mouth shape and the direction. O is more opened and relaxed, and your mouth is wider horizontally. O is rounded. Your lips make a small circle, like O, O. And just like the Korean consonants, vowels combine systematically. You don't have to memorize the hundreds of the sounds. You learn the building blocks and then combine them. And the rest things are pretty easy to learn. Yo sounds just same as yo-yo, yo-yo. And then sound, sound, and then e we have. So let's repeat the whole thing one more time, starting from the consonant. 그, 느, 드, 르, 무, 브, 스, 으, 즈, 츠, 크, 트, 프, 흐, 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이. And then I'd like to combine one vowel after this, so let's try to combine the ah sound. It will be 가, 나, 다, 라, 마, 파, 사, 아, 자, 차, 카, 타, 파, 하. So after this lesson, I believe you can write your names in Korean. So let's try to write your names in Korean on our comments. I'm gonna try my best to check your names with the Korean names. Is it correct or not? Alright, so thanks for watching my video today and see you in next class. Bye!